Okay, igama lesonto ne ingoma yakhona epopular iasili thina nabantu. Yes.
What is the type of food Azion people are known for loving nature? Alipheli isonto ingaculwanga le ngoma.
Amen. Chomcha.
Awukhona ukuzungeza ungayiphethanga.
I-Queen of umvumi izayoni yonke.
Mam Constance.
Face of Tembisa,
Mapelani.
also known as Teddy Bear.
Pass.
Themba. Ntombi.
Bani?
Themba.
Maphelele.
Themba Nkosi.
Hayi.
Themba Zwane.
Igama nesibongo.
Themba
Okay, pass.
Oh, igama lesonto. I-head office is at Soweto. They have their own place yokusonta. Can't get, can't tholakala.
Yes. Ubani i-legend yaseZion? Yes. Famous church in Zion. They are known as Pinkies. Yes. Okay. Yini igama lesonto la CIN? Maphelele? Yes.
This person is famous. He is also known as Nweti.
Anisho igama lakhe. He's the founder of Insindiso yobuKristu.
Begani Mncube. The founder.
Yes.
Of Tembisa.
Igama lesonto leli la ithembisa bazibiza ngeBlue Train.
Church of Christ. The general.
Banesakhiwo sabo la ithembisa basontele endaweni la.
Church of Christ. General.